Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, Computer Languages. So, the first question arises, how do you think we communicate with a computer? A computer cannot understand any commands that we may give in English or in any other language. It has its own set of instructions for communication, or what we called it computer language. The user of the computer must be able to communicate with it. That means he or she must be able to give the computer commands and understand the output that the computer generates. As computer only understand binary language, that is 0 and 1. With the passing of time and development of computer languages, we can communicate with the computer in general English. Basically, there are two main categories of computer languages. They are low level language and high level language. Let's take a brief look at low level languages. Low level languages are the basic computer instructions, or better known as machine codes. As the computers cannot understand any instructions given to it by the user in English or any other high level languages. These low level languages are very easily understandable by the machines. The main function of low level language is to interact with the hardware of the computer. Low level languages help in operating, managing all the hardwares and system components of the computer. They handle all the instructions directly in the architecture of the hardware system of computer. Further, low level language is divided into two parts. One is machine language and the another one is assembly language. Machine language. This is the most basic low level language. This language was first developed to interact with the first generation of computers. This language is directly written in binary code or machine code, which means it was basically written with 0 and 1. These languages are very hard to understand by the general human being. For example, the general number 10 means numerical 10 is written in binary number as 1010. We will discuss about them in our later classes. The next low level language is assembly language. This is the second generation programming language. It is a development on machine language, where instead of using only the numbers 0 and 1, we use some English words, names and symbols. It is the most basic computer language necessary for any processor. Assembly codes can be converted to machine codes using a software assembler. Some of the English words that are used for writing assembly language are MOV. It is used to move data from one location to another location. Means from one storage memory it could be register to another register. The next one is ADD. It adds two values. Next one is SUB. It subtracts a value from another value. The next one is PUSH. It puts the data into the stack. Means it inserts the data into the stack. The next one is POP. It pops the data from the stack. That means it deletes the data from the stack. The next one is JMP. It is used to jump to another location. The next one is INT. It is used to interrupt a process or to stop a process. So that's all for today. We will discuss more about low-level languages in our next class, and we'll explore the high-level languages. Stay safe. Have a nice day.